DLP, laser, and LCD are the three main technology types for desktop 3D printing in dentistry. To understand how they work, we need to know something about how 3D printers see 3D models. When you send a 3D model to your printer, the software slices it into hundreds of two-dimensional layers. Your printer sees a print as hundreds or thousands of these image layers that it will print one on top of the other until the model is complete. The chemistry of 3D printing resins means that each printed layer sticks to the build platform but not to the resin tank. Once a layer is complete, the build platform lifts slightly and then a new layer is drawn atop the previous. This process repeats over and over until eventually the models are completely built. Although DLP, laser, and LCD all follow the same basic process, they differ in how they deliver light to the photopolymer resin, and this divergence makes all the difference. Let's take a closer look. DLP printers use a light projector, similar to what you would find in a movie theater, to project the image of an entire layer simultaneously, regardless of the number of parts. Because they clear a full layer in a single flash, DLP printers can be outstandingly fast. They are also very reliable with low complexity and no moving parts. SprintRay Pro is powered by a DLP projector of our own design, enabling it to 3D print models quickly and with outstanding accuracy. LCD printers use a screen, similar to the one on your smartphone, to project the image of an entire layer at once. In this way, LCD printers are quite similar to DLP. They can even share materials. But LCD panels have a few key drawbacks. The light used to cure resin is damaging to the organic compounds in LCD screens. Therefore, most LCD printers treat their light source as a consumable, requiring frequent, costly replacement. Laser printers use a pin dot of high-intensity light to draw each layer. This process is similar to using a fine-tipped pencil to draw on paper. The laser rapidly moves across the resin tank, drawing the details of each layer as it goes. The laser must fill in the entire area with a pin dot of light, which limits the speed of the printer, especially when printing multiple parts at once. DLP, laser, and LCD printers are all used in dentistry, but the speed, simplicity, and durability of DLP has made it the first choice of dental professionals all over the world. Interested in learning more? Come visit us.